Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the TV, update firmware and SmartThings, then connect to a stable Wi-Fi. Once done, pair or insert the voice remote and confirm the mic icon lights. Make sure battery is adequate. Next, open settings to set language, region, and allow microphone and cloud permissions so voice features work. These steps let the TV receive and interpret speech correctly. Make sure you complete them before moving to assistant selection and deeper configuration. Now choose a voice assistant, Bixby, Alexa, or Google Assistant, and link the corresponding account. Once selected, authorize all requested permissions in SmartThings or the TV menu so skills and smart home control are available. Then tailor microphone sensitivity and set the wake word or button preference. Perform the built-in voice training so the system adapts to your pronunciation. While you configure, test short commands to confirm recognition, and make small adjustments to sensitivity to reduce false triggers and improve reliability. Finish by testing real commands, power on/off, volume changes, open apps, and control smart devices. You'll learn which phrases the TV prefers, refine your wording, and speak clearly. Make sure the room is quiet and the TV microphone isn't blocked. If recognition fails, reboot the TV and router, repair the remote, and retrain voice recognition. As a key troubleshooting tip, check network latency and privacy permissions. Slow Wi-Fi or revoked permissions are the most common causes of voice failure, so address those first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.